Right back with another video, and today, y'all see it, we got the truck out another day. Appreciate y'all for 995 subs, and yeah, let's go into it. All right, y'all, so we're in the truck now, as y'all can see. So y'all can hear it. Oh my god. That thing sounds crazy in the morning. Y'all hear this thing? It's going boom, boom. But nah, this thing's crazy. Bro, this truck is just, it ain't no normal truck, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, it's got the 5.0, you know? That's exactly what, somebody taking pictures? Hey, take pictures of my truck. Come on, give me some photo shoots, I don't know. But, nah, anyway. But, yeah, no, this is like, oh my god, it sounds crazy. Like, let me roll these windows down real quick. Let me put these down. Y'all can hear it a little better. Look at this. Let me show you something. All right, y'all don't know how loud this thing really is. Woo! Yeah, yeah. I love this thing. The thing is just sounding so good. I just wish it was faster, but listen to that. Oh man, this thing is crazy. But yeah, let's get on the highway. That's our favorite place, as always. But hopefully y'all are doing good. Your New Year's been good so far. New Year's has been really good for me, really. We're almost to 1,000 subs, bro. We need to get there, and I appreciate all the support we're getting on the videos. And yeah, I'm gonna keep bringing this stuff for y'all though. Don't worry about that. Turn that off real quick. All right, let's go. Let's get on the highway. One more downshift. Oh my god, we got a bunch of people. Come on, bro. What's that? Oh, it's a Mustang. It's a 5.0 or no? Ain't no 5.0. We gonna go after it anyway. Here we go. Passes Mustang. I don't know, sorry if you guys can hear a little bit of that sound. I don't know what that is. I think it's like a flap on the windowsill or something. Oh, Durango GT. That ain't no Hellcat. Look like a Durango Hellcat almost, but nah, it's a GT. Oh, I hear that excursion. Yeah, you hear that? I could fix it just doing this. Open the window by a little bit. I don't know. There's maybe something going on with the sill or something like that, but no biggie. You know what I mean? We're just gonna listen to this thing. Everybody getting off here. Look at that. That whole line is going off this highway. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right. All right, buddy, you can move over. You can move. Yep, thank you. No blinker, but yeah, cool. So cool that you don't use your blinker. It's a lady. Use your blinker. What? How hard is it to just click that little lever on your steering wheel? I guess some people have really lazy bodies, so I guess they don't want to do a thing in the car. You're already sitting in a car and not even walking. Like, do something a little bit. Anyway. Oh, y'all ready for that under the bridge? We ready for it. I'm about to do it for this lady right here. Yup. Yup. This thing sounds so crazy. I don't think the camera does it justice, guys, because like it's got the Borla attack and it's loud, but it doesn't sound loud on video sometimes, I feel like. But I think that's just, you know, the fact that, you know, you gotta be in person to see some sounds. But I think it is loud on video too. It just depends, especially with the windows up. I can't really show on the highway, but we're gonna get off the highway soon, and then I can show you some more footage. holding up this exit like crazy. Look at this. They holding up all that traffic. Let me just slow down real quick. I'm about to get off this exit. Oh, I wanted to do more, but couldn't, unfortunately. Yeah, ain't doing nothing like that. Sounds so good in the morning. All right, let's go ahead this way. Downshift. Downshift again. Oh, popped. Let's go this one right now. We need those windows open. Oh yeah. Oh look, a Charger right there. What else we got? Grand Cherokee right over there, new one. We got some cars out today. Nothing cool, but you got some, I guess. I'm gonna catch you guys in a moment. Whew. All right. I'm gonna miss that, I think. Yep. Traffic. No traffic really today, so that's a good thing, I guess. Let me see if I'll pop this thing a little bit. Yeah, there we go. This thing is loud. Oof, wants to go. Ooh. That guy ain't going anywhere, so I'm just gonna sit over here, I guess. God. Thing is speaking. Oh my God, that guy just cut in front of this guy. Come on, bro. I'll avenge you. Don't worry. I'll get him on the highway. If he goes on the highway, I don't know. He probably won't. All right, guys, one more downshift. We back on the highway. Actually, no, he's not going on the highway, so. Oh, y'all heard that? Y'all heard that? That pop? Oh my God, this thing is going crazy on the pop. Oh my God. Y'all hear those pops? Oh. Oh my God, this thing is popping. Pop more, come on. All right. These shifts, though, they make me upset because they have a lot of delay. insanely loud. The pops too. Oh, I did not expect it to pop like that. Y'all didn't even hear my voice like that. I did not expect that to pop. We gone. We gone. Come on, let's go. I got this truck on one side. I ain't really want one truck. Got this big flatbed in front. That road needs to move. You need to move now. I mean, you're just sitting in this lane for no reason at this point. All right, you know what? Open the windows. Time to open the window. Y'all ready? Ready for the top speed run? Going for the top speed. And then it stops there. Y'all see that? It stops at like 101. It ain't going any more than that. So yeah, the limiter is there. I wish I could get that off somehow. But all I know is you gotta get, ooh, look at the lower truck. Oh, it's an F-150. Bro, that thing gotta be fast. He's gotta be putting some power into that thing. It's a two-door one too. Oh my God. That was a nice looking truck though. You know, I was thinking about getting a single cab at one point, but I was just like, nah, I don't want to really make a truck super fast. It just makes no sense. If I want to go fast, I'll get a car or whatever. But yeah, I mean, I went to go see a Hellcat Durango yesterday. It was pretty cool. But it's so expensive. They're expensive like crazy. I mean, for no reason too. They're just a Hellcat with a Durango body. Like, ain't too much different. Oh, that guy just flew by. He was mad. Oh man. But I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.